Hi, here your master pattern. Let's go to the today's topic, that is armhole princess bodice. Take front waist length bodice and mark mid armhole and draw a line from mid armhole to apex. Now mark midpoint and from that point perpendicularly you have to mark 1.5 centimeters line. Join mid armhole and apex through 1.5 centimeter depth guideline. And cut side front panel as I'm showing here and blend near the apex point and make it a smooth curve. And mark notch mark for the side front panel. This notch mark will help you while joining both the panels. Remove the waist dart and close the shoulder neck dart as I'm showing here. And mark notch mark for the center front panel near bust point, or you can call it as apex. And write all the pattern details on the center front panel and side front panel. That's it for the front pattern. For back pattern, take back waist length bodice, mark mid armhole, and repeat the same process that you have done for the front. Draw a straight line from mid armhole to waist dart tip. Mark midpoint to draw the guideline for the depth of 1.5 centimeters. And join mid armhole and waist dart tip by using French curve. Cut side back panel and remove the waist dart. Mark notch markings before you cutting and separating these two panels. And now we have to shift the dart from shoulder to armhole, and then finally we have to remove the dart. See carefully how I am drawing the slash line, cut through slash line and close the shoulder dart. Take a piece of paper and stick it on the back side of the pattern as I'm showing here to blend the shoulder. And draw a straight line as I'm showing here for the shoulder. And cut excess paper. Now we have to remove this shifted dart by marking the same amount of dart intake from the armhole princess line. Now we have to equalize the princess line of the back. Measure princess lines of both panels and cut the excess as I am showing here. That's it for the back. Write all the pattern details including title, size, and mention the panel name. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.